video is all about how to create a value scale. Value is one of your vocabulary words. Value means the light and darks of your drawing. So, here's an example of a scale that's already completed. The whole thing is called a value scale. The lighter values, which could be numbered 1, 2, even 3, are referred to as highlights. That is also a vocabulary term. The darker values, which could be 4, 5, and 6, are considered shadows, and that is your final art vocabulary term for drawing. Now we're going to go ahead and start filling a new one in. On this, I like to start with my shadows, so that's my dark part. And the idea is to create your own value scale below this one that's already created for you, and to make them match as close as you can. So for value number 6, I'm going to push down as hard as I possibly can with my pencil. Make sure that you're using an actual pencil rather than a mechanical pencil, because mechanical pencils will not get very dark. I'm going to fill the whole box in as neatly as I can, and then I'm ready to move on to value number 5. For value number 5, I'm not going to press quite as hard, but I'm still pressing hard, trying to match the value down here to the value I see up above it. It should be just a step lighter than my value 6. So the idea is that you can tell the difference between 6 and 5. Then I'm going to get a step lighter into value number 4, pressing a little bit lighter. And if you want, you can kind of use your finger to shade it in so it looks a little bit neater. Then I can move on to value number 3, putting less pressure on there so I can get a lighter value. If for some reason you accidentally get it too dark, so if I'm looking at this, my 3 and my 4 look really similar, and I need the 3 to be lighter, just take an eraser, erase back a little bit, and then try again. And that looks better. Next, I have my value number 2. I'm just barely going to put any pressure on there. Just very lightly. I got a little dark on the top. Use my finger to kind of smudge it in. And there we go. For my lightest value, number 1, I don't have to do anything, because the lightest value you can have is just the white of the paper. And that's it. Now you're ready to move on to start drawing your values for your Hershey's bar.